एक स्कीम येयल्या आमकां सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटाची फेम 2 फेज 1 ते लॉन्च जालें एप्रील 2015. आतां आमकां सँक्शन जाल्या इलेक्ट्रीक बसीस म्हागडे 250 बसीस मागली 50 बसी आमकां सँक्शन जाल्या. ना ये बसी आता विल बी ऑन PPP basis. State 20%.
State will spend 20% of 2 crore.
Yeah, of 2.5.
2.5.
See, the rate depends on the tender. Now when we tender, we have to tender it outsource kurma. Private person will be in the bus and operate the bus. So you got them.
We have asked for 25 charging stations on 16 bus stands and then our depots. And there will be 2 types of charging stations, that is slow and the fast. Fast will be in a depot so that within 2 hours the battery of the bus will get charged. And slow will be for backup. And along the आमचे जे पडे बस स्टँड आसा त्या जाग्यार आमचे चार्जिंग स्टेशन फॉर 3 व्हीलर्स 2 व्हीलर्स एंड 4 व्हीलर्स आसा. की ज्या जाग्यार आमचे स्पेअर लँड आसा देयर वी कॅन स्टार्ट सोलर हार्वेस्टिंग.
What is the total fleet now? Buses fleet?
We have around 545. Second, to be cost म्हटल्या त्या प्रमाणे cost is only not about diesel. The cost is of our mechanical staff and the parts.